Hi and welcome to Air Tippecanoe, a presentation of the Tippecanoe Gazette. Today we're taking a look at the construction that's taking place at the schools. Here you can see Tipp Middle School as the drone takes off, and as it spins around you can see where Nevin Kopic used to be. Now it is a big dirt hole filled with some water and surrounded by a large gravel parking lot. As the drone turns around, you can see the buses parked in the distance and the tennis courts. Here you can see a new parking lot which has just been built on the east side of Tipp Middle School. As the drone turns around here, you can see from a higher angle where Nevin Kopic used to be. Across the street there is the post office. Alright, now we're switching to another angle. These are the tennis courts. You can see there's a lot of construction going on around the tennis courts. To the west of the tennis courts is the new bus barn, which is under construction. Here you can see more of the things that are being built on the west side of the bus barn, including what looks like a large island in the middle for buses to possibly gas up. As you can see, there's a lot of construction equipment on site. Alright, here I'm having a little bit of fun flying as low and fast as possible across the parking lots and trying not to crash into anything. Okay, now we've moved to the north side of Tipp Middle School, and you can see a very large construction area has now been established on the western side of Hyatt. Across the street are those apartments. This is the entrance road where parents used to drive in to pick up their students and drop them off at LT Ball and Tipp Middle School. Now it's a large construction area. You can see some equipment there and gravel as they clear grass and dirt out of the way. That depression there in the middle could be a water retention pond. I'm not certain. As I turn the drone around, you can see more of the construction areas. This large area in the middle is where the old parking lots were for LT Ball and Tipp Middle School. This whole area is being cleared and flattened because this is the location of the future school, which they just broke ground on this week. As I spin the drone around, you can see the parking lot that they've built on the extreme northern side of Tipp Middle School. And that gravel or that asphalt road at the top there leads to the new parking lot that's been built on the eastern side of Tipp Middle. All right, here we are at a higher elevation and we're looking down at the construction site. It's easier to see here the depression where that water retention pond I think is going to be. I'm not certain about that. Thanks everybody for joining us, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Air Tippecanoe, a presentation of the Tippecanoe Gazette.